Hello. Hi everyone. And today is another Skylander Swap Force. And for this one, I will be using 3 new Skylanders. Turn on the portal. This other one has a sword too. This last one has a sword. I guess all 3 of them have swords. And the element of the day. The element of the day is water and tech. Water and tech. And I have a water.
Hey there, buddy. Where are we off?
Wait a minute. Going back to meet up with the guy that has the magic.
You there. I see you eyeing this little glittering gem here. Did I say little? Scratch that, because this baby's huge. This here's the biggest pet rock you'll ever get this side of Skylands. See that sparkle? That's pure crystal aluminium, straight from the Shimmer Shard Shire. But trust me, it ain't just there to look pretty. It'll hold the door for you, keep your hat from blowing in the wind. If it really loves you, it'll even skip across the water for you. Got undead robot troubles? Throw her at their head and I guarantee they won't be coming back anytime soon. My pet rocks will always be by your side, so long as you pick them up and put them there. And for the price of 200,000 coins, they can be yours. What? Don't look at me like that. When supply goes down, price goes up. That's basic economics. Didn't your mama teach you that? Ever since that big old worm moved into my mines, I haven't been able to get any more product. You're a Skylander, right? Ain't you looking for that money bone fella? Well, that worm looks just like them machines that were attacking the town earlier. Tell you what, you clear out that big monster, and I'll get you one of these pet rocks for yourself. For half off, maybe a 10% discount.
Well, he's trying to sell. What's this? That's pretty cool. But the guy, he was trying to sell some pet rocks for a lot of money.
Time for more adventure? Let's get going.
Crystal Caverns. In Shimmer Shire. Looks like a hard level. See who we have. Wow. Wow. This is shit that came out of his sword. The shit came out of his sword. Gone through it. Now it works. I just failed. And it's not letting me. Maybe if I try to go to this one. That one. Series 2. Series 2. Series 2 Chop Chop. I guess he's very powerful. I think Swashbuckler. I think he's really cool. With this shit. I can't believe that's that shit. Wow. Just leveled up. Level 2. Level 3. Purple crystals. I sliced 2 chompies with 1 shot. I don't have an Earth Skylander to open that gate. And I have 104 coins. I just started on this guy, and I'm already at level 4. Almost didn't make it this time. What just happened? Oh, he has a shield. His shield can do an attack and he could do a move to attack with his shield. I like that move. Run. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Just take care of him. I'm not even walking. Oh. Last time. I think I know someone who can help. Yep. I knew he could help. And duke you with this one. Level 1. Flaming swords. A flaming attack. I guess he's very powerful. He is very powerful. Whoa. He's very powerful with that sword. Get him up to level 2. Then probably go back to Chop Chop. I think Chop Chop should finish it. I'm gonna finish the level.